Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm Dami of 𝐓𝐻𝐇. Today we'll be learning how to make this beautiful overlap princess dart top. So if this is what you are looking at to learn, please stick to the end of the tutorial. If you are joining us for the first time, thank you for joining us, and for a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. If you are yet to subscribe, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime you have a new tutorial. If you want to join my WhatsApp group, the link will be in the description box, so you can join the group and be able to ask any question or request for any tutorial. So please stick to the end of the tutorial, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and also share the video. Thank you, and let's get started. Alright, so to draw the double-breasted top, I've drawn out the line. So this is my chest line, this is my shoulder line, the chest line, the bust, under bust, waist, and from the waist I step down by 5 for the top length. So here to the center front here, I went in by 4 inches. So this is going to be where we are going to do the extension of the double breasted. So now from this part, now from here to here, we are going to be imputing our measurement. So the shoulder I'm working with is 14 divided by 2, we have 7 inches. I'll mark the same thing on the chest line. So I have it on the chest line. I'm going to go down for 1 inch for the shoulder slope and connect to the 3 inches neck width. The bust is 8.25. So I'll take the bust measurement down to the waist. The nipple to nipple measurement is 3 inches. Okay, so we have this like this. The waist measurement is 6.75. So the difference in the waist and the bust is what I'll be using as my dart, which is 1.5. That's 0.75 on both sides. To stop ½ inch from the bust point. The difference in the front and the back half length is 1 inch for this measurement. So for this dart now, I'm not going to extend it down, so I'm just going to make it close up here like this. Okay, so we have this as our dart. The hip measurement is 9 inches. So I'll connect it. Alright, so the armhole divided by 2, step down by 1. I go in by 1 for the front. So the top is a princess dart, so we are going to be connecting it to the armhole like this for the princess dart, and also we'll do the tightening on the under bust. So the under bust measurement is 7 inches. So whatever difference I have here is what I will use for the tightening. So I have 1.25 here, so I'm going to be splitting it on both sides. Alright, so now that we have this, now we'll go ahead to draw out the neckline. So I want the wideness of the neck to be 3.5 and it to be 7.5 deep. So now for this overlap in the front, now it depends on how much overlap you want it to be. For me, I left 4 inches here, so I'm going to stick with the 4 inches for the overlap. So if you want yours to be like 3 inches, but it shouldn't be less than 3 inches, depending on the size of the person, but it shouldn't be less than 3 inches. So I'm going to extend this line for the neck. I will extend it out like this. So this is the neck here. So you come to this side now to do the shape on the down part. So from the waist you step down by 2 inches, then you come to the dart here. From the dart line you go in or you go out here by 1 inch, so you connect this line up to this point. So connect the line like this. So the other one that comes here, from this place you can just use your ruler to demarcate where the waist is. So also from the waist you go down by 2 inches here, then you connect it to this point. Okay, so this is what we have. So here is where the overlap and the buttons is going to be like. So this is how the front bodice is going to be looking like. Once you're able to achieve this, now you can go ahead to cut it out. Alright, so this is what the front piece is going to be looking like. So when you want to cut it, you cut 2 of this, you cut 2 of this. So the joining, the overlap is going to be stopping around on this part. So this is where the button and the buttonholes is going to be on for both sides. So we'll pack this aside to go ahead to draft the back body. Alright, so for the back now, this is the lines. We'll go ahead to impute all our measurements. So the back is just a regular back bodice. Don't forget to always do your sway back to avoid bulging at the back. I have the bust measurements here, the waist measurements also, and also the hip measurements to connect all the lines together. So these back bodies, I'm going to make it that it's not going to be having any dart, so the back is going to be dartless. Okay, for the armhole, divide it by 2, step down by 1. For the back bodies, you go in by 1/2 inch. Alright, so for the front now, we step down by 2 inches from the waist. So the waist is going to be a straight cut for the shape of the hem line. So we're also going to be stepping down by 2 inches that we did for the front. So we're just going to make our back to be straight like this. So this is going to be the hem line for the back bodice. And also the neck width of 3.5 like we use for the front. And we are going to be using the neck depth of 1.5. Alright, so once you're able to achieve this now for the back, you can go ahead and cut out the patterns. Alright, so this is the pattern that we have for the overlap princess darts top, or the double-breasted princess darts top. So thank you for joining us in our class today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and also comment. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next class.